I'm going to make mango cheesecake tart, but I'm going to make them into dessert cups. So let's start with the crust. You need 11 to 12 sheets of graham cracker, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is optional because this is very sweet. I have a bigger food processor, but I'm too lazy to take it out, but I am. Okay, so I'm going to start posting the crackers. Okay, it's crumbled. I'm going to add the sugar and butter. So mix everything. So you can actually shape this and then mix enough to make a pie crust. So first things first, I'm going to beat the cream cheese. You need 1 block and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Beat this until it's creamy, about 1 minute on high speed. By the way, this cream cheese is cold. I took it out of my refrigerator and let it warm up for about 15 minutes before beating. Okay, go ahead and add your sugar. Okay, this is ready. So I'm going to move this to a separate bowl. So to the same bowl, you add 1 cup of heavy cream and half cup of powdered sugar. Whip until you get stiff peaks. Okay, so you're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Half cup of mango puree. Actually, I have 2/3 cup here, so half cup, 2/3 cup, even 3/4. That's fine. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 cup of sour cream. 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon of lemon juice. It depends. Taste it as you go. And just mix this for a few seconds until combined. Taste in case you want to add more lemon juice. Okay, it's fine. I'm not going to add more lemon, but I'm going to add the cream cheese. And that's the last step.